Rocky. Come on out. Green gumballs.
Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Pups, there's an emergency in Adventure Bay.
Pups, where are you? I need you. We're up here, Ryder. Pups, I need you in your mission gear. Let's hurry.
Chase is on the case.
Why don't we use this tile garage to get changed? Yeah, let's do it. Come on. Let's start with Marshall. He wears red, so we're gonna put him in the red garage. And he's gotta come out in his mission gear. All right, Marshall. Time to get inside the garage and change into your mission gear. Are you ready, Marshall? Come on out. Whoa! Marshall turned into a bunch of red gumballs. Let's try that again. I hope it works this time. Hey, there he is. Awesome, Marshall. You're ready with your mission gear on. Hey, but we need your vehicle. Let's try closing that garage up again. Let's see if we got your vehicle. All right. Perfect. Now you can get in your fire truck. And you are ready for action. Rocky, you're up next. Time to get changed. Okay, let's head into the garage.
Green means go.
All right, Rocky, come on out. Green gumballs. Rocky's green gumballs. I don't think so. Let's close up that garage again. Let's see if it worked this time.
Don't lose it. Reuse it.
All right, Rocky, perfect. Now we just need your vehicle. Let's try again. Now we've got it. Okay, Rocky, in you go. Time to rock and roll. Oh, sit tight. All right, Chase, you know where you belong. You've got to head into this blue garage. Mission gear time.
These are the poles along.
Come on out, Chase. Oh, blue gumballs. That's not what it's supposed to be. Let's close it back up. I need my mission, Chase. Now let's see what we've got.
Chase is on the case.
All right, Chase, looks good. You're all geared up. Just need your vehicle. We'll close this up again. Ready? Go! Here it is. All right, hop in. You're ready for action. Super cool trike. We haven't forgot about you, Rubble. It's your turn. Time to get ready for your mission. Into the garage you go. Come on out, Rubble. Whoa! Yellow gumballs. All right, let's try this again. I think we can get them out this time.
Rubble on the double.
Awesome, Rubble. Love that gear. You look great in yellow. Time to get your vehicle, though. Hope you're ready. Yeah, that was ready to bulldoze over anything. So in you go so you can control it. All right, ready to roll. Don't worry, haven't forgotten about you, Sky. You can use this red garage. Hop on in.
Let's take to the sky.
Come on out, Sky, you ready? Pink gumballs, oh my goodness. Well, that's no good. We need a mission, Sky. Ready now?
Is Pup gonna fly?
You sure are ready. All right, let's get your vehicle out. We'll close up the garage again. Are you ready, Sky? Yeah, nice. Oh, this looks awesome. Let's get you seated. Whoa, this pup is ready to roll. Well, who's next? Oh, it's you, Zuma, of course. Hop into this garage.
Ready, set, get wet.
Here comes Zuma. Whoa, Zuma's orange gumballs. Let's see if we can get our pup back. Zuma, are you in there?
Let's dive in.
All right, thank goodness. Zuma, I know you want your water vehicle. So let's close this garage. Let's see what we got. Yeah! All right, Zuma, it's all ready for you. Who's going to get into our blue garage now? Oh, Tracker, it's you. Well, all right then. Let's get you inside. Oh, Tracker, of course, you don't have mission gear, but let's see if we can get you a vehicle. Let's see what we got. Whoa! Is that our green Tayo bus? Awesome! Let's see if you can ride on it, Tracker. Hop aboard! Alright, perfect! Yahoo! Be careful up there, Tracker. You don't want to slip off. Now who will get into our yellow garage? Oh, Robo-Dog, it's you! Well, okay, Robo-Dog. You can march your way inside. All right, then. And what comes out? Oh, it's Robo-Dog. You don't have mission gear either. Shall we try for a vehicle, though? Here it comes. All right. It's our blue Tayo bus. Let's try riding on him. Hop aboard. Whoa, be careful. You're really high up there. Oh, I told you needed to be careful. All right, let's zoom out.
Paw Patrol is on a roll. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Pups, there's an emergency in Adventure Bay.
Pups, I see you've got your mission gear and your vehicles ready. So let's get to it. Time to move out.
These paws are pulled to one. Let's dive in.
Out of my way, guys.
I'm fired up. Rubble on the double.
Yay! Woohoo!
Hey, Rocky. Hey, Sky. Have you seen Rubble, Zuma, Marshall, and Chase? No, Ryder. We haven't seen them. Why? Those pups got some new vehicles. Really? What kind of vehicles? There's some super cool sports car roadster vehicles. I think I see one of the pups coming now. Oh, look who it is. It's Zuma. Here's Zuma's new roadster. Really neat, Zuma. It's got your badge on the front. So cool. Looks like you're ready to fly and ready to race.
Let's dive in.
It's Rubble.
Rubble on the double.
Let's check out Rubble's new vehicle. This looks like kind of a big Jeep. It's pretty sturdy, and here's Rubble's badge on it. He's ready to drive wherever he's needed. All right, Rubble, where's the other pups? Hey, there's Chase.
These paws are pulled to one.
No surprise, Chase is in a really super cool police vehicle. Looks like he's got red and blue lights on the back. And there's a star to show that it's a police car. Wow, he's ready for action. Out of my way, guys!
I'm fired up.
And there's Marshall. Wow, this certainly is no fire truck. There's Marshall's badge on the front. This is a real sports car. I bet it goes super fast. Hey, pups, what do you guys say to a couple of races?
Yay! Woohoo!
All right, for this first race, we have Chase and Marshall. You guys have to get through the bales of hay and to the finish line. And whoever can do that wins. All right, start your engines, boys.
Chase is on the case.
Oh, Chase made it through the bale of hay, but not the finish line. You're up next, Marshall.
I'm on it.
Here you go. Whoa, Marshall did it. He went through the hay and made it to the finish line. And the winner of that race is Marshall. Here's your award, Marshall. 1 trophy for you.
I'm fired up.
Now we have Zuma and Rubble that have to take a race. Here we go. We've got cinder blocks that they've got to break through and then get to the finish line. All right, Rubble, you're up first.
Let's dig it.
Here he goes. Whoa, he crushed it. Now, Zuma, it's your turn.
Ready, set, get wet.
Come on.